it is too late. I already took it out of the box, so I can't do an unboxing, but I am gonna do a real quick impromptu review of the Bauer 5-inch random orbital sander from Harbor Freight. So here's the box that it came in. I got excited and didn't even think to do a review at first because I'm doing my walls and my ceiling, but then I realized, hey, it's new to me, it might be new to you, so here we go, I'm doing a review. So here is my already unboxed unboxing. So here's the box. It was from Harbor Freight, $39.99 at the time that I got it, and this is the sander. It comes all in one piece like this. You don't have to assemble it at all, and I'll show you how it works. This is the Bauer 5-inch random orbital palm sander. I got it from Harbor Freight. It was pretty affordable. It's corded, and all I did was this 80 grit pad was on it, and I just put it on there. It is held on with Velcro, very easy to do, and I bought some other grits for other things that I might need. One thing I didn't realize, but fortunately I did it just naturally, was line up the holes, because you have to have these holes lined up in order for the dust catcher to work. And then I realized that you can have different speeds. I have it at 5 right now, which was very powerful, but it looks like you can change it to different speeds. Down, is 5 the highest? Max is higher than 5. So I had it at 5, and that was kind of hard to hold on to. I was working above my head, but it worked very well at 5, and you can go lower or a little bit higher. Then this is the catcher. So here is the catcher on it, and you just kind of wiggle it and pull it back. Now I just did it to test to make sure I knew how it happened, but I had to look at the instructions for it, which if you know me, you know I'm not big on instructions, but I did have to look at it to make sure I wasn't gonna break it. And then this part I did not look at yet, so we'll see if I can figure out, or maybe you just shake it around. So this does not come off. All you do is dump it. So I thought since there was this little hole in here, it was kind of trapping it in there, and it does, it prevents it from coming out. So it works really well, but all you really gotta do is go like that and it dumps it out. And then throw it away. And you just slide it right back on there. It's a tight fit, and then it's good to go. But like I said, you gotta have the holes lined up, which I accidentally did, thankfully. If you don't have them lined up, then it won't suck the sawdust in there. So I'm gonna turn it on for you. All you gotta do to turn it on is just push this little button. And that's it. I mean, that's all it does. So you just turn it on, it works great. I'm gonna work on the ceiling with it, so I'm not actually gonna do it for you. Well, maybe I'll climb up there. Yeah, I'm gonna climb up there real quick and show you. So I'm gonna attempt to climb up on the ladder, sand a little bit on the ceiling just to show you how it works, and then we'll call it a day. So you can see I've already scraped it by hand, but there's just little edges of paint and things like that. So let's just give this a whirl. So I was kind of using 2 hands just to make it easier since it's overhead on the ceiling, but we're gonna videotape and do this. So there it is. I just used it on the ceiling up there. I got more to do, but it does speed up the process a lot. I did a lot of it by hand first, just to get some of the big pieces, and then I bought this so that I could get a little bit more work done more quickly and have it better prepared for my spackle. So the only thing I will say is that since it's so sturdy, which is a good positive thing and makes it easier to sand, it's also kind of heavy for overhead. So usually I use 2 hands, and for this one I did just 1 hand so I could videotape. So just be aware that you're gonna wanna use 2 hands when you hold it above your head. Anyway, it works great, it does the job, and speeds up the whole process a lot. So there we have it, my impromptu review for the Bauer 5-inch random orbital sander. I really love it. Like I said, it cost me about $40, which is a little bit more than I usually spend on tools from Harbor Freight, but it feels sturdy and hefty. I already have enjoyed using it today. I know I'm gonna love it. It's easy to use, easy to switch out the pad, empty the sawdust. So it's gonna be great. I'm gonna love it. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or if you have anything that you want to let me know about it, that would be awesome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I love you. Mwah.